Can you use Bluetooth headphones on PS4? Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we will discuss can you use Bluetooth headphones on PS4 that you can buy on Amazon. If you want more interesting videos, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description below. I have prepared this video guide for can you use Bluetooth headphones on PS4. So let's get started. Yes. You can connect Bluetooth headsets to PS4 to play games on your console. The PS4 uses the CTIA, Cellular Telecommunications and Internet Association, standard, the latest technology for headphone inputs. This means that they can work with normal Bluetooth headsets. This article explains 3 ways to connect wireless Bluetooth headphones to a PS4. Information applies to all PlayStation 4 models, including the PS4 Pro and PS4 Slim. Sony doesn't have an official list of supported Bluetooth devices. However, most wireless headphones and headsets should work with a PS4. Here's how to connect wireless headphones directly to a PS4 via Bluetooth. Turn on the Bluetooth headset and set it to pair mode. If you're unsure how to do this, check the manual that came with it. Select Settings at the top of the PS4 home menu. Select Devices. Select Bluetooth devices. Select your compatible headset from the list to pair it with the PS4. If the headset doesn't appear, reset the headset or the console. If the above steps don't work, you may be able to connect using a workaround. You need an audio cable with a built-in microphone, which is included with most Bluetooth headsets. Follow these steps. Connect the headset and the PlayStation 4 controller with the audio cable and then turn on the headset. Select Settings at the top of the PS4 home menu. Select Devices. Select Bluetooth devices. Select your headset from the list to activate it. After you activate the headset, go to the Devices menu and select Audio devices. Select Output device. Select Headphones connected to controller. Select Volume control, headphones, to adjust the volume. Select Output to headphones and choose All audio.